Hello. Nice to see you again. We are at the writer's house. They are eating and watching TV.
So cool, bro.
Let me go get something to drink.
Oh no!
I don't. Cruz Ramirez Joyce accidentally spilled water into the electrical outlet. What's going on? The TV has a problem, and it sucked everyone into the world of the TV.
What?
It's him!
Who?
Sos tú. Es que parece que ustedes como que nunca hubieran salido en una de estas.
Oh my gosh! Go! Go, go,
Wait for
go,
me to
go!
grow.
This is the world in TV that our car friends are drawn into. Let's explore.
Oh my gosh! Help!
Let me. Are you okay?
Let's go! I'm
This
scared.
world is full of strange things. What do our three friends need to do to escape here now?
No, 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 no! What? Oh my gosh! Oh no!
Let me.
Run.
Oh my god!
We have to jump down.
I think so too.
Let's do it! Oh my
Oh,
gosh!
what's going on? Could this be a dream? I'm really scared by what just happened. Maybe we should find another way to entertain ourselves.
Cute little snake.
Hello everyone. Who are these babies waiting for? It seems they need to be taken away.
Please help us cross this bridge.
Okay, I'll call a backup car.
Okay, move on.
Teo the little bus has arrived and these children will get on and be taken by him. Okay. Now let's go.
Why are you blocking my car?
Give me one of the cars inside.
Don't try to achieve that goal.
It seems like something is going on. Guys, calm down. Oh no. Heyo, the little bus crashed into the truck and crashed. 3 cars fell off and a little girl riding the bus was swept away by the truck.
Help!
The crane and police have arrived. They will handle this incident.
Please help the cars wake up.
Now, the police car will go to catch the bad guy. He will catch the bad guy in a moment.
Thank you.
Okay, move on.
Are you okay?
Hello, it's so fun. I'm seeing everyone playing the slide happily. Oh, unfortunately, there was a little incident that happened.
Don't worry. I will help you.
The rescue team will arrive immediately to help the blue car.
Hurry, hurry. Hurry, hurry.
Let me help you.
Okay, now let's rescue together.
Are you okay?
Hey, you!
Thank you.
Move it!
It's done. Everyone was rescued successfully. Everyone worked very well.
Wow! Thank you! Welcome!
The truck was carrying eggs, but unfortunately crashed into a forklift and fell off the bridge. Now he needs help.
Help me.
Please help me save your car.
Okay.
I will be there to help you.
Let's go, guys!
The forklift immediately, and for help, and to crane truck friends came to assist.
Hey.
Please help me save her. Huh? Okay, we will help her get to the bridge.
Help me!
Let's go! I don't like turning it into this.
Okay, let's rescue the car and the results.
Thank you.
Excuse me, would you help me, please?
Okay.
I will come back to see. I will contact all the sand here.
Now let's rescue these eggs.
Amazing! Red. You look so beautiful.
Purple.
I will contact all the sand here.
Green. Yellow. Let me help you.
Oh, come on, Dad. I can do
The B8 was safely brought up. The forklift will put it back on the car's trunk, so everything is resolved.
Amazing!
Let's destroy the city.
Aha! Come on, let's go!
Bye-bye.
Oh no! A meteorite fell and created a huge hole in the road, which immediately created chaos and traffic congestion.
Go, go, go! What?
Away!
Traffic is really seriously congested. We will have to find a solution to solve it immediately.
What?
I fell in the mud and took a shower right after.
Hey, what happened?
Why? What happens in 24 hours?
We have to go!
Let's go.
We are getting ready to work again. The materials are arriving and together we will build a bridge.
To big damage must be built quick.
Go, go, go!
Can I help you? There are aliens up on the bridge!
Quickly, the new bridge was formed and we can use it immediately.
Amazing!
Line up and announce when your name is read.
Okay, everything is resolved.
More like a transfiguration.
I go first.
Bye, have a great time.
Oh, come on.
Bye.
Go, go, go!
Bye-bye.
Let's go!
Hello, friends. We are in the city and see excavators and cars at work. The rocks have already fallen off the car, which could block traffic.
What the hell is even that?
Hello, I need help.
It seems like this problem will be resolved soon. The excavator has arrived to solve the problem. Oh, what's going on? It seems like the excavator is having some trouble. We'll need other vehicles to come take care of this problem.
No!
I will call for further support.
More cars arrive to handle this problem.
Okay, let's go.
I think doing so is not a good way.
We need another plan.
Freight cars, excavators, and garbage trucks have worked together to handle the trouble. Everything will stabilize soon.
Well, thank you. Thank you very much.
You dropped a lot of bricks and stones. Please take it back.
Oh, no!
Good day. I saw Lightning number 7 walking on the street. Where is he going?
No!
He crashed into a pile of rocks on the road and got stuck. Maybe he needs help.
Please! Help me! Okay, let's go.
It's okay. Someone came to help him. There are many vehicles coming to support Lightning number 7. Let's start the rescue.
I can't take this!
It seems this rescue is more difficult than we thought. It's okay, guys. Let's try our best. Done. Everything seems to be okay and resolved.